Natatakot ka bang ma-reject sa home loan application? Kabayan, hindi ka nag-iisa. Kasi naman, maraming taong nire-reject hindi dahil hindi nila afford, kundi dahil hindi sila prepared. Hindi nila alam yung gagawin nila at wala silang education. Without a plan, you look too risky on paper. With the right strategy and preparation, baka ikaw pa yung client na ipaglalaban ng bangko. What do you think, boss?
Yeah, usually nade-decline naman yung mga loan applications, especially pag complex yung situations and pag dini-DIY. I really strongly suggest to see an expert na parati na nilang ginagawa. Kasi ba't iba naman yung mga expertise natin eh. So, ito yung ginagawa namin everyday. Just see an expert.
So here at Buy, we'll walk you through kung paano maging bank ready at kung anong tamang gawin sa proseso. So kabayan, no pressure, just the right strategy. So kung gusto mong malaman kung paano ka magiging bank ready, comment first home buyer or FHB or message us dito sa Buy.